Buckle up because today we are jumping into a 40-year-old treasure buried in the heart of Atlanta called Las Margaritas. So in this video, we'll be going through all of the themes, talking to the owners, getting the concept, and of course, trying great food. So you want to stick around to the end.
Hi, I'm Shannon Balenciaga right here in the heart of Atlanta, Georgia on Cheshire Bridge in the most fun, friendly, family inviting neighborhood special around at Las Margaritas. Come out and join us. Las Margaritas has been here for 40 years in the Atlanta culture here. Unfortunately, Las Margaritas, we lost the original restaurant in 2022 through an arson, and it has been rebuilt to what you see today. And it's going to be an enjoyable new experience. It's a Latin infusion from Brazilian to Colombia to Mexico, all infused in one great spot right here in the heart of Atlanta. My favorite dish, I'm gonna start from the top, and it's always good to go with dessert. My God, Oscar has the best deep fried cheesecake. It tastes like nostalgia at a fair. You gotta have some with some vanilla ice cream, as well as dulce leche cake. Oh, it's fabulous. So be a fatty like me and have both at the same time.
And they don't just do dessert. They are throwing down some amazing dishes. And we got to meet one of the chefs behind the kitchen and try some amazing food. So here we go.
First name, Berto. And my family and all the people that are known, they call me Tito, Chef Tito. I started working here when I was 21. Now I'm 37. I love the year being working here. From Mexico City. The place that you see today, one called Torre Acapulco. That's my grandpa from Acapulco. It comes with steak, chicken, shrimp, cactus, and some salsa enchiladas, rice, petacones, and some fried cheese. It's good, it's delicious. For 2 people, 3 people, that's enough.
Okay, this dish is insane. It's a little bit of everything. Let's start with this hanging fish. This is red snapper. That looks good.
Kind of want to drizzle some. You gotta try it with the lime juice.
With the lime? Really, really good. All right. So, shrimp. Fried cheese. Love that. That is good. Critical steak is rolled, cooked medium. Delicious over a chicken breast. Check that out. Love it.
I like that sauce on it.
Yeah, the sauce is what's making it everything. The sauce is making the shrimp. Even in the Molcajete, there's like a cheese and a salsa blend that's making everything taste amazing. If you're meeting up with us on the 20th, bring a friend. This dish alone will feed like, I don't know how many people. At least 4 people. 3 big people, 4 small people. But it's a great dish.
The Molcajete mix, everybody know. It's good. You should try. I mean, we made 3 different kinds: steak, chicken, and shrimp.
Frijoles, martes arroz con pollo. En la olla silba el cariño de ayer y hoy. Pan calientico, mantequilla que se va. Y mi abuela riendo, come, mijo, ya verá. Vive la la la.
All right, so if I ever go to like a Mexican restaurant or a Latin restaurant or a Miami fusion restaurant like this one of the main things I always ask for is a molcajete, because to me, you get all of the best things. You get the cheese, the meat, the seafood, everything is there. It's insane. I mean, look at that. That's insane. That is insane. Steak, shrimp, chicken, fried cheese, everything delicious. Look at that. all inside of a cheese sauce and a homemade salsa. It's delicious. That looks amazing.
Chicken.
Listen, get this with some friends. I'm telling you, it's a lot of food.
One of the biggest things that I love about Las Margaritas is the price. There's no place in this city that's gonna feed you and give you the drinks that y'all need. And I'm a non-alcoholic person, but I'm looking out for y'all people. We gotta come get you something to drink and get you something to eat and not break the budget. Bring a couple of friends. It is so budget friendly, but so high quality. Come out.
And it's not just the food, but there are many rooms at Las Margaritas for private events that are themed very, very well. When you first come in, there is a pink room, there are garden rooms, and there is a room with large tables. There's so many different variations of atmospheres in this place. And it reminds me of the garden room. It's just very, very beautiful and put together very, very well. We're back in the private garden trying this amazing paella. Now, if you are trying to get this for yourself, there are smaller versions, so don't panic. I'm gonna mix this up. And what's your plate? Those shrimp, those scallops, those mussels, bell peppers. This thing looks amazing.
It's just all just thrown together, mixed up. It's messy, but it looks really good. First bite.
Okay. How was it?
That is good.
Really?
Really good.
I was kind of worried about you, if you would like it or not, but
Oh, I love it. I really like it a lot.
because
that
it's
is
saucy,
good.
it's seafoody, it's everything I love.
Just a lot of flavors, just all
wow.
mixed together, and that might be my favorite dish here.
So you heard it from down the map. Her favorite new dish.
Las Margaritas is located right here, 1842 Cheshire Bridge Road, in the heart of Atlanta. You guys, you cannot miss us. It's an explosion of color. It's the place to be. As you can see, come and sit on the pink patio with moi and everybody else. Everyone comes here, from every celebrity to every politician to your mom, your dads, and your favorite children. So come out and sit with us right here on the patio. It's getting warm. Las Margaritas is open Wednesday through Sunday from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. You can't beat it. There's nobody else open at that time on the strip. Come out and eat.
So here we are in Las Margaritas, the new Las Margaritas. I just want to welcome everybody in the neighborhood. Bienvenidos, everybody. This is my queen over here. Can we show her? Can we show her? She's the basis of the inspiration of Las Margaritas. We're a family, la la la. And we incorporate like a Miami fusion, Latin, authentic Cuban, Colombian, Mexican. We got all the dishes over here. And this is a big party where everybody's welcome, everybody, all parties, kids, la la la, races, everything. And that's what I do. We're from New York, I'm Colombian, my stepfather's Mexican. And we include everybody and everything in a time like this. It's all energy. And welcome, welcome. Come join our vibe, come join our energy. Come join our la 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 la. That's not only our motto, that's the way I live, that's our policy. So if you're la la la, you're welcome to make la 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 here. Gracias.